Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Tongkat Ali versus TRT. Tongkat Ali is a popular herbal supplement, often used to naturally support healthy testosterone levels. It's derived from a plant found in Southeast Asia and has been traditionally used for centuries. Many individuals choose Tongkat Ali for its potential to enhance energy, improve mood, and support overall vitality without synthetic hormones. It's a natural approach that many find appealing for maintaining wellness. Now let's look at testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT. This is a medical intervention where synthetic testosterone is administered to the body. TRT is typically prescribed by a doctor for individuals diagnosed with clinically low testosterone, a condition known as hypogonadism. It aims to restore testosterone to a healthy range, often leading to significant improvements in symptoms like fatigue, low libido, and muscle loss. This is a more direct and potent approach. The main difference lies in their nature. Tongkat Ali is a natural supplement, while TRT is a prescribed medical treatment. Tongkat Ali works by potentially stimulating your body's own testosterone production, whereas TRT directly replaces it. TRT requires careful medical supervision due to potential side effects and the need for ongoing monitoring. Your choice depends on your individual health status, the severity of your symptoms, and your preference for natural versus medical intervention. Always consult a doctor. When deciding between Tongkat Ali and TRT, it's crucial to have an informed discussion with your healthcare provider about your specific symptoms and health profile. Remember that lifestyle choices, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep, play a significant role in hormone health regardless of your chosen path. For those looking to support their wellness journey, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Making informed choices is key to your well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.